Hello everyone and welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have an awesome video for you today. We are going to be talking about the latest news with Rivian. So far we have learned that Rivian has increased the price of its pickup truck, the R1T, by $12,000 and up to $20,000 increase for its R1S, the SUV. And we've had a lot of really angry customers, and this stock has really felt that heat. It has dropped as low now as $50 a share, its lowest point that it's ever been. But what is Rivian doing now? It is listening to the customers, it's listening to the investors, and it is starting to backtrack on that. We will be talking about this and more. Is Rivian worth investing into? I think you're going to get a lot out of this video. Before we get down into it and get started, give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. And also don't forget to share this page with others so we can continue to grow this channel. I do have great promotions down for you below. You can get up to 5 free stocks using my link to Moomoo, an additional Lucid Motor stock if you put in at least $100 into a brand new account. And also stay to the end of this video and I can show you how you can get an additional free stocks. Incredible opportunities. Now, without further ado, I did just want to transition and talk to you about Rivian, as Rivian has had a pretty tough week this week. Its shares of stock has been down quite a bit because Rivian just recently came out and said that because of supply chain issues, is going to start really impacting the prices of all goods, especially the parts that are needed to build the R1T and the R1S, the pickup truck and the SUV. Well, Rivian did increase the prices of these vehicles. Not only are they increasing the price of the R1T pickup truck by $12,000, that will be as of March 1st, and moving forward for any new customer that does purchase these vehicles with the 4-motor option will have to pay an additional $12,000. Now, that is for the pickup truck. For the SUV, you will have to fork out $20,000 more. Buying this vehicle now for closer to $90,000. That is for the 4-motor variant version and the battery pack that can produce over 300-mile range. Now, today, the Rivian CEO RJ has actually released an apology letter to previous owners that have pre-ordered the R1T and the R1S pickup truck and SUV, that he apologizes that he broke their trust. He actually is now rolling back the original price that these investors and these customers actually put up to $1,000 to reserve their vehicles. He's now honoring that original price that he's had. Now, as of March 1st and moving forward, they are going to still do those price increases for anybody that has purchased this vehicle afterwards. Now, Rivian is also now producing an additional trim model that only offers 2 electric motors, one for each axle in the front and the back, that is now having a smaller battery pack, and that can only have about 260-mile range, which is a lot less more power. It's also a lot less range than the original vehicle that Rivian is producing. That will be a very big impact in future customers because now they will have to pay even more amount of money to get even the less amount of power, less amount of range. So I did just want to show you what the Rivian CEO RJ wrote to customers today. He said that admittedly, we wrongly decided to make changes applied to all future deliveries, including pre-existing configuration pre-orders. So that said, they will honor the original configuration price for all pre-orders placed prior to March 1st. So again, if you have purchased and put a pre-order in before March 1st, they are still honoring to get that 4 electric motor over 300-mile range for still that nice price. But anybody that purchases this price from now on, these vehicles from now on, with the 4-engine variant and that longer range, will have to pay an additional $12,000 for the truck and also up to $20,000 extra for the SUV. But they are still offering the lower trim, as I have mentioned, at a lower price. You will have to pay now at that base price. You get less power, less battery range, paying the same price. So again, that did definitely affect the stock. And this has definitely impacted the stock. And I did just want to show you that this stock has actually gone down today almost 5% to its lowest point that it has been ever pretty much trading. It did hit $50 a share now, the lowest part that it has been. But in the past 5 days, you could definitely see that we have been trading the stock actually above $60. We have been trading it actually up to $67.50. But that news did break out. And as soon as you heard this news, we went down more than 19.6% in the past 5 days. Huge drop in its stock price. I do believe that right now is a good buying opportunity to get this stock, holding it long term. Now, looking at electric vehicle stocks, I do think that in the next short term, there is going to be a lot of pain. There's going to be a lot of pain in EV stocks, especially because they are brand new companies just coming out. It's even hurting Tesla with the chip shortage, the supply chain shortage, the cost of all the goods, the cost of all the materials is skyrocketing. You have heard that in numerous earnings report. We have heard it in Rivian that the supply chain issues are going to be having problems. You also heard from Tesla that they are delaying their vehicles. They are also delaying productions of future vehicles as well. You have heard it most recently from Lucid Motors that they cannot get materials to produce and deliver their vehicles. So this is impacting all electric vehicle companies and automakers. Now, that being said, I do think that this will be short-lived. Now, we have definitely lost a lot of that EV craze. We have lost that EV energy in the stock market, but I definitely think that it will come back. But in the next few months, I do suspect that these stocks will be trading lower because of this very, very bad news. Now, I do believe that Rivian is a very good long-term hold in a long-term EV stock play to invest in. Wall Street does actually really like this stock. This is Rivian, ticker symbol RIVN. The analysts, there's 16 that reviewed this stock. 11 are giving it a strong buy, 5 a hold. This does give it an average of a moderate buy. And look at this highest price target in the next 12 months, in the next 1 year, is $170. The lowest price target is $55. If you average all this together, it's $122, which is a potential of 140% upside. Now, the highest price target did come out before we had all these inflation numbers come out, the highest inflation in the past 40 years. We've also had it before a lot of the war with Russia, Ukraine came out. So right now we are having a huge downward pressure on these stocks, on the EV stocks. And I again think that we will be trading all EV stocks very low in the coming months to come until we start seeing the light at the end of the tunnel with the supply chain improving and getting better. And once we see production volume increase, I definitely think at that point in time, the stocks will start doing quite well in the EV market. But again, I am buying this stock for a long-term hold. I hope that you like this video, and always please do your own research, your own due diligence before purchasing this or any other stock. But if you did like this video, this is the time to give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. In addition to this, don't forget to share this page with others so we can continue to grow this channel. And I have the best promotions right now below. Using my links to Moomoo, I can get you a free Lucid stock if you open an account with at least $100 in that account. Moomoo will also give you additional stocks, each valued up to $3,500 for a potential of 5 total free stocks. Webull is also giving my viewers very nice opportunity to get 5 free stocks just by opening an account, putting in at least 1 penny into that account. Amazing potentials to get free stocks. Take advantage of these. Again, the links are down below. But thank you so much for watching, supporting the channel, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Have a wonderful day. It's close to the weekend. Enjoy your family, and we'll talk to you on the next one. Thank you.